Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. In this video, we will talk about how we can utilize our iPad for teaching. I have received a lot of comment on it, and based on your feedback, I'm going to create a very professional setup using iPad for professional teaching. Okay, so in this particular setup, I'm going to talk about how you can set up this for Windows device. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what we need is obviously an iPad, and here you can see I have this latest iPad Pro M4, and the good thing here is that I also have got pencil so that I can annotate and can teach anything. You can use any kind of mic, guys. For example, you can use this professional studio mic, and I also have created video on how we can connect this professional mic to our iPad. If you want to check those videos, then I'm going to put the link of those videos in the description of this one. You can also use this kind of small portable mic as well. This is receiver. You can simply connect it to your USB Type-C port, and then you just simply need to turn it on, and that way you will able to connect your mic. Okay, so let me actually put this aside. So this was our step number 1 to upgrade our voice. Now let's talk about step number 2. Step number 2 is how we can project our display in our computer. For that, we can use free 5K player. Again, I have created a video on how you can project your iPad screen on Windows. So do check that out and install free 5K player in your Windows, because I do not want to make you feel bored and want to make this video too long. So check out the video that I have added already in the description of this video and install 5K player in your Windows. Now you have done two things. First of all, you have upgraded your audio to professional level. Second thing you have done is you have installed a software that can easily project your iPad screen to your Windows device. And now let me actually use that. And the prerequisite to connect your iPad to 5K player, although I might have already explained you in that video, is that both your devices need to be connected to the same internet. So here I have connected my Windows computer that you're gonna see in a while with Ethernet cable to my router, and this iPad using Wi-Fi to the same router. And now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna share you both my computer as well as iPad screen. Now let me quickly do that. So here you can see I already have started this 5K player, and then let me also share with you my iPad screen. Okay, so all you need to now do is simply scroll your iPad down and then click on this mirroring option, and there we go. Here we can see we have got this 5K player available. Simply I'm gonna tap on it, and as soon as I tap on it, you will see that the 5K player will start recording my iPad screen streaming. Now let me actually go back to the normal iPad. Now instead of using third-party apps like Notability or GoodNote, I'm going to use the default note-taking application of iPad, which you can see it here. So if I press on it here, you can see I have created a ton of notes even using this default note-taking app. Now here what I'm going to do here is I can actually start using it, but before that we also need to configure the whole layout of our iPad screen. Now here we have successfully mirrored our iPad screen to our Windows device, as well as we also have upgraded audio. Now the next thing here we will talk about layouting and recording. For that, I'm gonna recommend you to use OBS Studio. And then let me again quickly share my screen, which I am also using to record this video. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open another instance of OBS Studio. And again, if you do not know about OBS or want to know how to install it, I'm gonna provide you the video how you can download and install OBS Studio for free inside your Windows device or Mac OS. Now coming back again to my computer screen, where you may able to see this OBS Studio. So what you will see is a blank screen. Now what we need to do here is, first of all, we need to set up Canva. For that, I'm gonna go here on File Setting, and then let's click here on Video. So here you need to set up your screen resolution. In my particular case, my monitors are 4K, so that's why I have selected 4K. And then the same you need to do in case of output scaled resolution. Now after doing that, let's click OK. So what I'm going to do here is I'm gonna add everything inside this Canva. So let's click here on add source and let's click on Windows Capture and click OK. Now I'm gonna click here on it and then I need to look for this airplay.exe. So let's select it and I'm gonna paste it here. Now based on your requirement you can resize it or place it like this, and then here you have got this extra space. So here you can add something filler, for example an image in the background. So let me actually have a look on if I have got any decent image, and for the time being I'm gonna use this iPad image here. So let me also place it here and then I'm gonna make it behind. So this image can be your thumbnail or let's say your class name, banner or anything. So in this way you can efficiently utilize this filler space. Now we're gonna add our camera feed here. For that you need to connect your camera to your computer, and then here if you click on this plus button you need to select this option which says video capture device. Now let me click here on create new and then hit OK, and here I can see all my different capture device my system has detected. So in this particular case I'm gonna go with this one and let's click again OK, and there we go. Now I can also see my camera feed also inside my system, making it really look more professional. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make it smaller, or else what I can do is let's make right click on it and go to filter, and here let's again press on plus button and then let's click on this image mask. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a circular mask so that it look more professional. Okay, so after I clicked on OK, now what we need to do here is we need to go to internet, and then here I can simply type image mask and then I'm gonna write OBS. Okay, and now let's click here on image and you can download this circular looking mask. So let me click on save as, and then you can save this file at your desktop and then close this. Now let's click on browse and download this circular mask, and there we go guys. So it look more professional, and let's click on OK. And now what I can do here is I can adjust it based on my requirement, and now I think it looks good. And probably let me actually download something because this image doesn't look that good. So let's again go back here. I'm gonna write background here and let's click on images, and seems like this one looks good. So let's make a right click, save as, and again I'm gonna save it in my desktop. Now again let me select this image here and properties, and now I'm gonna change it with another one. Now again let's click OK. And now this image is here in the background. Let's make it on. Now I'm gonna make it like this. So now this look much better than before. So all you need to do here is you need to simply click here on start recording, and this will now start recording this whole Canva that we have created. Now all we need to do is we need to start training or teaching our students. So here let me actually erase everything, and now I can choose pencil or pen, and then I can start teaching and utilizing iPad for teaching purpose. And along with that you can also see me and my expression. Now after creating the whole video you can click on stop recording, and then you can open your recording and can see the playback. So in this way guys you can utilize your iPad and can create a professional setup for educational content. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential to follow more such tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.